So, welcome to No Mafia Memorial.
It says No Mafia Memorial and it's on a rainbow flag. Has that got a connection to do with the LGBT issue?
Yeah, we are close to the gay community of Palermo and we want to fight the mafia. We want to stay close to human rights also, so we are together in this fighting.
Yeah, you strengthen them and you dilute the power of the mafia.
And we want to fight also the idea of Godfather, you know the movie?
Yeah, yeah.
If you think Sicily first, you think mafia.
Yes, yes.
Maybe for Godfather. It's a beautiful film, but it's a fake. We want to show the real story of mafia. It's very, very dramatic and cruel. So we cannot make a joke with Godfather, with Hollywood, or with all the movie about mafia, too romantic, to glamorize the mafia.